Okay, Coleman UT400. I replaced the ignition switch. For those that don't know what a ignition switch, how it comes, this is how it is. This is the old one. And how we put a new ignition switch into the unit. I have a picture of the column and everything off, if need be. I'll try to post that picture below somewhere, hopefully, or put it in the video maybe, if I can't do that. Here we go. We're going to turn the ignition on after it's been replaced. Okay, now we're going to turn lights on to the low position. It is registering lights on, and I don't know if you can see it in the video, that low beam light is definitely on. That low beam light is definitely on. Let's see, go to high beam on the switch, or not high beam, but you know, all the lights. That was running lights, and this is regular lights on. Okay, this one is not on because I have the bulb out of it. I'll show you the bulb here in a minute. But this one is definitely on. If you can tell in the video, it's definitely on. Try turn signals. Turn signal is blinking on that side. The lights are not flashing with it. Turn signal on the other side. The other side is definitely blinking too. The lights are not blinking with it. So all we're looking for, let me see, high beam. Everything's working out here on the dash too. Turn signal, indicators, everything's working correctly. High beam indicator, I just cut the high beams on, and it is on high beam. The high beam's coming on. All we're waiting for now is this particular light bulb, and then this thing can go back to Tractor Supply where it came from. As soon as this light bulb gets here, everything will be working properly. Everything will be good, and it can go back to Tractor Supply. All right, that's all we need. It's definitely not a light bulb you can pick up from Advanced Auto. Pretty sure they're not readily available. Could fool me. I don't know. Comment below.